Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers a song called You Can't Always Get What You Want, written by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards, and of course performed by the Rolling Stones. You Can't Always Get What You Want was released on July 4th, 1969, and eventually peaked at number 42 on the Billboard Hot 100. So, we're going to perform the song, then we're going to take a few minutes and review the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Rolling Stones song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
I saw her today at the reception, a glass of wine in her hand. Knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need. Get what you need. Went down to demonstration to get my fair share of abuse. Singing we're gonna vent our frustration, but don't we're gonna blow 50 amperes. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. If you try sometime, you might find you get what you need. Get what you need. Went down to the Chelsea drugstore, get your prescription filled. Standing in line, Mr. Jimmy, man, did he look pretty. Decided we'd have soda. My favorite flavor, cherry red. Some I saw from Mr. Jimmy. He said one word to me, it was dead. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need. Get what you need. Saw her today at the reception. Glass was a bleeding man. She was practiced up on the arts of deception. Tell by her blood-stained hand. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. Can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need.
right, let's have a closer look now at the chords that you're going to need to know to get through the acoustic lounge version of this great Rolling Stones hit. There are 3 chords. Let's have a closer look now. First one is a C major. I also use a chord called an F/C chord. And then lastly, a D. Very, very easy. 3 chords gets you all the way through this song. Let's take a few minutes now and have a look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. And those 2 chords, the C and the F, are really what you need to know to get through 95% of the song. The D chord only comes in when you're coming out of the chorus, back into the verse. I'll show you that here in a few minutes when we play through the song a little. There are a couple of things that you can do that kind of add a little something to these chords. You may notice here when I play it, a C chord as an example. I'm really just lifting off my middle finger from the string, and that creates a little bit of a unique sound to the chord. You can do that on the F chord as well. Just adds a little something, I think. So let's play through the song here a little bit, or at least a verse and part of the chorus, so you have a good understanding of how it's played. The song basically starts on the C chord. Here we go. I saw her today at the reception, a glass of wine in her hand. I knew she was gonna meet her connection. Her feet was a footloose man. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you might find you get what you need. And that's it. That's as simple as the song is, and that simply just repeats through the entire song. Well, there you have it. You can't always get what you want, performed by the Rolling Stones, written by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards. Thank you so much for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.